Hello everyone, welcome to Greypot. Today's recipe is based on a no-waste cooking. These are orange peel candies. And do you know, so many reports says that the peel is more healthier than the actual fruit. Surprised? So don't throw away all those peels when you can actually make a delicious candy out of it. But before start making, you have to thoroughly wash the oranges to get rid of all the dirts and pesticides. Now take each oranges and cut it into half and slowly and carefully take out the peel. Do the same with all the fruits. Cut the peels into half. Now you have to take out the white part from the peel, which is also called as pith. Here I am using the zigzag part of a knife. But if you don't have it, you can also use the regular knife. This pith gives a sour or a bitter taste for our candies, but it also has the equal amount of vitamins, so if you are not concerned about the taste, you can always retain it. Do the same with all the peels. Different researchers tells that orange peels are rich in flavonoids and several other important phytochemicals that offer various health benefits. While orange flesh contains about 71 milligrams of vitamin C, as the peel contains over 136 milligrams. Oh my goodness, I'm definitely not gonna waste any more peels. Now I'm cutting each peels into strips, but you can cut it into squares or small triangles, any desired shapes. After cutting the orange peel strips, put it in boiling water. Make sure all the peels are immersed in the water, and after 10 to 15 minutes, drain it. Now let's make the sugar syrup. Into a pan, add in 1 cup of sugar. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it and dissolve the sugar. When the sugar syrup starts to boil, drop in all the orange peels. Now you have to boil these orange peels in sugar syrup for around 10 to 15 minutes on a low to medium flame. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can see the peels have changed its color and it became semi-transparent. Now take it out from the sugar syrup and put it on a wire rack to drip out the excess sugar syrup from it. And before it starts to dry, you have to place it on a parchment paper and you have to allow it to dry for minimum 24 hours. Either you can sun dry it or keep it in hot oven or simply keep it on your kitchen countertop. And depends upon the weather in your place, it may take longer or lesser than 24 hours. and once it completely dries, it will not stick to your hands. You can have it right away, or just to take one step further, I'm coating each peels in chocolate. Either you can coat the entire peel in chocolate or only the half. Chocolate and orange is always a great combination. You can also coat these peels in powdered sugar, or even before drying it, you can coat them with granulated sugar. You can store this in any airtight container. As these orange peels are completely dried, it has a very good shelf life. So the next time when you buy oranges, don't throw away the peels. Make these delicious candies and give it to your kids, friends, and loved ones. These orange peel candies can be a good decoration for your orange cupcakes, cakes, or cookies. Just make powder out of these candies and add it to your frostings to give that extra flavor. Or just sun dry these orange peels, make it into a powder and apply it on your face to get that gorgeous glowing skin. The benefits of these peels are endless. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Greypot. Do check it out.